Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to take another look at math operators and some other things that you can do with it and stuff that I left out in the last tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's our main sub right here inside of our module, and we're just going to start off by creating a variable. So we'll use the dim keyword to say that we're going to create a variable. We'll give it a name, which is mydouble. Then we'll use the add as keyword, which tells the compiler that we're about to tell it what kind of data we want to use. And we'll just do double, and we'll set it equal to 11. Now if we do console dot write line mydouble, what this is going to do is just going to print out the value 11. Now if we come down here and change the value of mydouble, we'll do mydouble equals mydouble plus 23. Then we'll do console dot write line mydouble. Now if we run this, we're going to get the values 11 and 34. But if we just take this line out right here, let me copy this. Okay, so if we take this line out right here and add the plus 23 into the arguments of console.writeLine, what this is going to do is it's going to print out 11 and 34, but the value of mydouble isn't actually changed. So if we write out console.writeLine mydouble again, we're going to get the values 11, 34, and 11 because we never changed the variable. You can see it right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to cover a bit of shorthand math. So here let's type mydouble equals mydouble plus 23, which is what we just did. Now there's an easier way to do this. Whenever you want to add a value to a variable that you have, all you have to do is do this. Let's comment this out. We'll do mydouble plus equals 23. So this tells the compiler that we want to take the variable mydouble and we want to add the value 23 to it. And now if we just print that out again, we're going to get the value 11 and 34. Now let's go ahead and make a short little simple program here that's going to take our variable and it's going to track it throughout the changes that we made. So let's take this line out right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a string inside the arguments of console.writeLine. So we'll type initial value 11, and then we'll type new value. And now to combine these two together, we're just going to use the and sign. So what this does is it takes the string that we've made and then it adds mydouble to it. And what this is going to do is on the console, what we're going to see is these letters right here. It's going to say initial value 11, new value 11. But since we don't know what the new value is going to be, we're just going to use the and sign and print out mydouble, which changes whenever we change it throughout the program, and we don't have to know specifically what it's equal to. So we'll just copy this string right here. And we'll do one more action. Let's go ahead and do mydouble times equals 126. Now whenever you do this right here, you can use it with any other math operator. You can divide, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can add, whatever you want. So let's do console.writeLine, and then we'll take this right here, we'll add it to the arguments, and then we'll print out mydouble with it. So now if we run this, we're going to get initial value 11, which is the initial value of mydouble. The new value is 11 because we hadn't changed it yet in the code. And then in the line down below that, it's going to say initial value 11, new value 34. And then below that again, it's going to say initial value 11, new value 4,284. So that's just a simple program that will track a variable when we make changes to it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them. I will be monitoring these videos. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.